Could you tell us your name? Can you give us part of your last name? Just part of it. Could you give us your name? Stephen? Venom. Do you hear that? What's going on in Venom? Foals. Who's a foal? Can you say goodbye? Okay. Creeper? It's creeping around in the cemetery. Say goodbye. Or see you later. Okay, well, you know, we can be nasty too. You just stay here. Yeah, you don't follow us home. You stay right here. This is your home, okay?